Yeah. Yes. So go online right now to QueenLatifah.com and register for your chance to win. I might be calling you. All right? My first guest is so funny in everything she does. From hit movies like Rock of Ages and Couples Retreat to her new show, Trophy Wife, on ABC. Take a look.
You're finally home. How's work?
No, actually it's morning. I just got up. What's that?
The Carefree Rabbit. See?
Okay, what's happening?
Nothing. Your wife, Jackie, this one, that one,
yeah,
quit on me, okay? She quit on me. So now I had to deliver 50 lunches. Now I have to make 50 more for tomorrow. And for the life of me, I do not know how to make a blueberry into a blowhole.
I thought the whole reason this was a good idea was that you didn't like making lunches for the kids. Can I point out the irony that you're now making 50 lunches for kids who aren't even ours?
I wouldn't if I were you.
It is so funny.
Fun to punish.
Did you know that you would just become this hugely memorable comedic actress? Was that always the plan? Because no, you're so funny in everything you do.
Well, thank you. Thank you so much. No, I thought I was going to become a child psychologist. That was sort of my later dream. I had many dreams. You know, as a kid, you think you're going to be everything.
Right.
But that's what I was studying to be. And then I think the acting thing was more just like it was a side job. It was a little cash in my pocket to go through university, and
yeah,
and one thing just led to the other, and I grew up with a mom who embarrassed me more than anyone in the world. So it was like,
wow,
oh my God, how much time do we have? In the best, kookiest way possible. You know, moms, right, where they're just like, here, my daughter. I can't even. I wouldn't even this way. But because of that, I think, you know, doing comedy just kind of came naturally, because it was like, well, right, I'll do anything because I can't embarrass myself more than I already have.
Just put yourself out there, chip off the old block. Now, you're originally from Sweden.
Originally, yes.
Any traditions that you bring from Sweden?
Yeah, Sweden has a few. There's one of my favorites, which is so random, but we have crayfish season in Sweden in August.
Now, this is different from crawfish.
I don't know.
If you ever admit to yourself that she was a driver in this evil doing, but I have more confidence in you than that. I think you will be able to forgive her.
You're right, no matter what, I forgive her. But I appreciate what you said, that you see that there is hope for rehabilitation, for her to get help and counseling she needs to take ownership for her part in it.
She can have a life with some freedom and joy, but not while she's living with this lie. That's just my opinion. Erin's last message to her mother and brothers when we come back. Captioning provided by...
Indulge in red velvet caramels, bathed in exquisite white chocolate from Good and Delish. Only at Walgreens.
When Jake and I first set out on our own, we ate anything. But in time you realize the better you eat, the better you feel. These days, we both eat smarter, and I give Jake Purina Cat Chow Naturals. Made with real chicken and salmon, it's high in protein, like a cat's natural diet, and no added artificial flavors. We've come a long way, and whatever's ahead, we'll be there for each other, naturally. Purina Cat Chow Naturals.
Which vitamins do pharmacists recommend?
Nature Made was the first to have a vitamin verified by USP, an independent organization that sets strict quality and purity standards. I recommend Nature Made.
Nature Made, the #1 pharmacist-recommended letter vitamin brand.
Honey, don't use your sleep.
Life's bleachable moments. Need Clorox bleach.
Tonight, a most wanted terrorist.
I started to see the man fetch us the monster.
Becomes a dangerous obsession.
I thought about you.
And it could cost one analyst everything.
trust my instincts.
I don't work with people I can't trust.
New NCIS. Then NCIS LA suits up
I can clean up vacation calls for him.
for a night out.
I'm leaving your undergarments to you. Please use them.
TV's top 2 dramas. New CBS Tonight.
And this is Mediacom's whole home DVR, now with TiVo, the world's smartest DVR. Yep. Unlike some satellite DVRs, TiVo lets you pause and rewind live TV from any room. And you can watch recordings from any TV. TiVo can also recommend new shows for you to watch. That's the world's smartest DVR. Incredible. Mediacom whole home DVR, now with TiVo.
Traffic is a parking lot, so just go ahead and eat dinner without me, okay? Yeah. Number 2. Hello, Jimmy John's? You ordered Jimmy John's?